Today's discussion will be on nose bleeding. What causes it? And how do you manage nose bleeding? Welcome. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so as I'm starting this. Head injury. If someone sustained a head injury, either through a fall, either accident, or sometimes a direct blow to the head, this can cause the nose to start to bleed. And the second cause is high altitude is another cause of nose bleeding. And mostly it affects those people who are traveling from areas of low altitude to areas of high altitude. High altitude is allergies as one of the cause of nose bleeding. This mostly affects those that when they get allergy, they'll start to sneeze. So as the sneezing continues, then what happens is the nose capillaries will open up and bleeding will start. Other causes are nose picking or irritation. In your management, ask the person to sit and lean forward. Then the second step that you want to do is you pinch the nose, or you can instruct the person to pinch the nose and ask this person to breathe with the mouth. And do this for around 10 minutes. As the person is kneeling forward and you're pinching the nose, you can also apply a cold compressing at the forehead. This is to help the constriction of the blood vessels, and bleeding will stop. After the bleeding stops, one of the things that you need to avoid is blowing the nose and bending over for several hours, because this can promote the bleeding again. And the most important thing to note is if the bleeding does not stop, kindly rush this person to the hospital.